I love salads. I literally eat them every day, but there is no way I'm gonna go for a boring salad. I want one that's got crunchiness, creaminess, some tart, some sweet, some savory, and then a dressing that's gonna take it to the next level.
Orange toasted walnuts, honey goat cheese, and of course, roasted beets and citrus make up this salad. And they're topped with a homemade honey mustard vinaigrette. And that's where we'll start. Just a handful of ingredients are needed, and we begin by pouring the good quality olive oil into a bowl. Then adding the apple cider vinegar, honey, Dijon mustard, fresh garlic, salt, and pepper. Give it a stir and store it in the fridge until you're ready to eat. The next step is roasting the beets. I use both golden and purple beets because I love the mix of the colors, but feel free to use just one or the other if you'd like. If using both varieties, trim, peel, and cut the beets separately because the purple beets will stain anything it touches. Here, I drizzle the golden beets with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. In a separate bowl, I do the same for the purple beets. Then spread them out on separate sides of a well-greased sheet pan. Roast in the oven until they're tender and browned on the edges. Then remove from the oven and let them cool to room temp. Now it's time to toast the walnuts and boost their flavor. Begin by heating up a skillet and adding in the olive oil, water, orange zest, walnuts, and salt. Make sure to stir frequently to keep things from sticking or burning, and adjust the heat if needed. Once they've browned slightly and they begin to smell nutty and the seasonings are coating the walnuts, remove them from the heat and cool at room temp. And now we're gonna quickly assemble this salad. Start by laying out the greens on a platter. Place the sections of oranges and grapefruit around as you'd like. Sprinkle the roasted beets on top, toasted walnuts, honey goat cheese, a generous drizzle of that homemade honey mustard vinaigrette, and you are ready to dig in.
If you want to turn this roasted beet and citrus salad into a meal, you can top it with any protein. You could use chicken, shrimp, fish, even steak would be great.
You can find this recipe for roasted beet and citrus salad at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.